Pull it down that way.
This way?
Carefully. I'm getting it the wrong way. I'm pushing it the wrong way. You were right. Okay, go ahead the other way. Other way.
This way? Which way? This way? Ready?
Alright, that's alright. We'll leave it like that so we have a good grip on it. So, this way. There it is. Alright, see if you can take it off with your hand now.
I don't think I can.
Yeah, you can do it. Keep doing it with your hand. Let's see. You got it. Boom. Now pull that thing off of there. Look at that. Hey, look at me. Good job, man. Look at this guy. Like a professional. Look, I didn't even tell you what to do and you're just doing it. You're a natural, Gav.
Oh, yeah.
Very proud of you, man. I'll get you a wrench and tighten that sucker up. Good job. Man, good job. You got that thing on there tight. Hey, give me 5. I love you, man.